Hello everyone, this is a review on a teenage bicycle made by Noxon, the Noxon Sweeper FG&D Diamond. That is a quite nice bike for teenagers from 10 to 16 years old. This bicycle was designed not a long time ago, and also it's impossible to find it in markets. You can still buy a used one in great condition. Now a little more details about the bicycle itself. The bicycle frame is made from aluminium, which makes the bike lightweight and easy to control. Also, there is one accessory mounting and a rack for transporting something. Noxon Sweeper has handmade Italian seat, which is really soft and comfortable, and equipped with lights on the front and back, which makes bike safe and easy to ride at night. Also, for better comfort, bike has front suspension. Noxon Sweeper is equipped with Shimano wheel brakes and Shimano Tourney gear switches. Noxon Sweeper has 3 front gears and 7 rear gears, which allows to easily climb uphill and have good speed on the roads. I would say that Noxon Sweeper FG&D Diamond is a good bicycle to buy if you can find one in good condition. In one of the next videos I'll try to restore my Noxon. I bought it just for $14 on auction, so subscribe if you don't wanna miss that.